school attention.
Sharing is a way of life that brings joy to everyone involved. A very warm and delightful morning to one and all present here. I am Ananya Singh
And I am Ashi Kumari. Along with my class 8 aspirers are here to conduct today's morning assembly on the given topic, our experience of sharing day at Savite.
Prayer is the key of the morning and the bolt of the evening. So let us join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer.
O God, Almighty Father, you are the source of all knowledge. I stand for you, to thank and praise you. I know that you love me, you guide me, and you protect me, letting my mind strengthen my memories and guide me to learn the difficult lessons. Make me worthy and loyal so that I may never offend my parents, teachers, friends, and anyone. Grant me to see the truth always and make me truly wise.
Away or determination, leave alone ordinary things of life. No, even great mountains cannot
direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. I repeat my thought. We cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. Thank you and have a thoughtful day.
Speech is a method to convey a message or thoughts to someone in brief. So I would like to call Anubha to give speech on our topic.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anubha Dubey, and I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic Your Experience of Sharing Day in Servite. The school has taught me how to deal with challenges. In Servite, I have learned many things. I still remember the first step I took into Servite as a 4-year-old girl who was curious to explore a new world. Studying in Servite helped me to gain understanding, sharing, and understanding. To succeed not only in my studies but also in co-curricular activities that taught me a lot of life skills. At last, I would like to share the most important virtues which I have learned from Servite is sharing, compassion, determination, and devotion towards our work. That's why we used to say sharing is caring. Thanks to all for listening me so patiently. Thanks a lot.
News is an information about the current event, so I would like to call Arindam and Aviru for highlighting today's key points.
My name is Abhrup Chandra
And my name is Arindam Naga.
and we are the today's news
reporters.
reporters.
National news. First, Shivaji Maharaj statue collapse in Maharashtra. Government forms a joint committee to investigate the damage. Second, the Telegram founder, CEO Pavel Durov changed the ban from the leaving of France.
International news. Japan protests Chinese naval intrusion into territorial waters. Helicopter crash that kills Iran's president was caused by climatic conditions, report finds.
Sports news. First, Cristiano Ronaldo scores a free kick against Al-Fihah. Second, Jay Shah became the youngest ever ICC chairman, fifth Indian to hold the post. Thank you and have a knowledgeable day.
Conversation is an interactive communication between two or more peoples.
Good morning all of you. I am Abdi Gilla. Servite is not just a school, it's an value, it's an emotion. It's not just a school about academics. It's first tries to develop us into a good human, a one full of value. There are many festivals celebrated in Servite like Sharing Day, Servite Day and Annual Day and other festivals. One of the best example is Sharing Day. So now let's listen to some of the experiences of my friends about Sharing Day.
On sharing day. On sharing day, I felt a deep sense of connection as we exchanged stories and ideas close to our hearts. Sharing taught me the value of empathy and short act of kindness make a big differences in others' lives.
In the Savite school, I got so many beautiful friends, which makes a special bond of friendship. So I want to express my views to my lovely friends. A friend is soul abiding two bodies. There is nothing on the earth more to be prized than true friendship.
Good morning everyone, I am Anika. I would like to throw the light on the values which I learned is kindness. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than its intention. Kindness is free to give but priceless to receive. Thank you. According to me, liveliness
is the word for enthusiasm or energy, which is a positive feeling about everything. It gives a wave of happiness, and when that's felt at school, it gives you a mental energy and helps concentrate better. In order to view things in a positive aspect, we must have liveliness in ourselves.
I learned that respectfulness is not only being kind but also being open-minded and empathetic towards others. Today we learn, tomorrow we grow. Respectful heart make knowledge glow. I am Anshika Srivastav from 8 Aspires. My topic is enjoyment. In Servite, I enjoyment lot. I didn't feel sad moment in Servite. I succeed not only in studies but also in co-curricular activities that taught me a lot of life skill. Thank you.
At the last, I would thank to the Survive and all.
And today I am going to give a motivational speech on the topic discipline. We all know that discipline is very important in everyone's life. Discipline is the key to success. It also helps us to build a good character. It increases our productivity, and punctuality is a sign of discipline. Remember, discipline is like a superhero cap which helps you to become a best self. So let us all wear our discipline cap and become superhero of our own life.
School standards, school attention.
Good morning, respected teachers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Manasvi Gubrele of class 8 Believers is going to conduct today's assembly on the topic Success Stories of Survived Students. As we gather here, let us welcome this day with gratitude and positivity. So, kindly join.
Success is a sum of small effects repeated day in and day out. I repeat my thought. Success is a sum of small effects repeated day in and day out. Thank you.
Keeping ourselves updated is the need of hour. So I invite my friend Kanak and Ishika to update us with today's news headlines.
Good morning everyone. I am Kanak Mishra and I am Ishika Meera and we are today's news reporters. National news first. Japan protests against China after the second incursion into its territory by Chinese military within a week. Second, Pacific leaders remove Taiwan from a communication after China complained. State news. SBI arrests Archikar Hospital's ex-principal Sandeep Ghosh. Second, Saudi tanker another oil ship attacked in the Red Sea. National news first. PM Narendra Modi directs strict law and action in case of crime against by Chinese military within a week. Second, Pacific leaders remove Taiwan from a communication after China complained. State news. SBI arrests Archikar Hospital's ex-principal Sandeep Ghosh. Second, Saudi tanker another oil ship attacked in the Red Sea. National news first. PM Narendra Modi directs strict law and action in case of crime against a woman. Second, Ashwini Vaishnav says the government will soon launch the scheme to set up a sustainable electronic component ecosystem. Sport news. Nitish Kumar clinches Paralympic badminton gold, India's second at Paris game. Second, US Open Iman Agnew finding the tennis court reaches. Thank you.
Now presenting before you all a short conversation among a few friends of mine on the topic Success Stories of Survived Students. For this, I invite my friends Krishna, Laksh and Kaustubh.
Hey guys, have you heard about the success story of some of our survivors? It's really inspiring.
Yeah, I have heard about few of them. There is this one guy, Mr. Sresh Trivedi, who is the new assistant commandant at Indian Coast Guard.
Oh, I know whom you are talking about. It's not just him, but the Illumina who cracked the UPSC in the year 2023.
Oh, do you mean my Miss Divya Yadav?
It's really amazing to listen to her inspiring words, and we are also thankful to our respected sister principal for inviting her to our school and making her address to us.
And don't forget about the Illumina, who is the founder of MIC India, a distinguished social NGO based in Indore, established in 2016. She is Rupansi Srivastav. It's crazy to think that she was sitting in the same class as us not too long ago.
It's motivating to see how far they have come. It makes me feel like that we too can achieve something great, you know.
Definitely, it's good that our school have a strong network of honor. We are doing such amazing things in so many different fields. I think we should try to connect with them for advice and mentorship.
That's a great idea. Who knows, one day we will be the one inspiring future students. Thank you.
Thank you.
vocabulary words.
Good morning. Vocabulary words. First, resilient. It is a person's ability to recover quickly from unfortunate circumstances or illness. Mellifluous. Sounding sweet and smooth, pleasant to listen. Third, stingy. Not generous, unwilling to give, especially money. Fourth, jocund. Cheerful and light-hearted. Fifth, preposterous. Silly, ridiculous, not to be taken seriously. Thank you.
Happy.
शिक्षक जीवन है, संबल है, शक्ति है। शिक्षक सृष्टि में निर्माण की अभिव्यक्ति है। शिक्षक उंगली पकड़े बच्चे का सहारा है। शिक्षक डूबती हुई कश्ती का किनारा है। शिक्षक तपते धूप में बारिश के समान है। शिक्षक छोटे से परिंदे का बड़ा आसमान है। शिक्षक उपहार है जिसका आशीष जीवन पर्यंत हमारे साथ है। I, Rimsha Khan from class 8 Challengers got an opportunity to conduct the assembly, and the topic of our today's assembly is Celebrate Teachers. Let us pause to express our thanks to God for the dedicated educators. Teachers are the backbone of our education system, and today we honor their strength, patience and wisdom. So I would like to invite my friend Mitali for today's thought. Today's thought. Teacher क्या है? Today's thought. Teacher can change a life with a mix of chalk and challenges. A teacher fact eternity. They can never tell us where their influence stops. Thank you. Teachers don't just teach subject, they shape mind, touch hearts and change life. So I would like to invite Pratha and Namami to dedicate a poem to our teachers.
Good morning. Poem. You are the guiding light that shines so bright in our lives. You help us to lead through the darkest nights and help us to become the best version of ourselves each day.
With patience, kindness and care, you nurture our minds and soul. You help us grow, you help us share and make our dreams and hopes unfold.
Your dedication, your passion, your fire inspire us to learn, to strive, to aspire.
You
lead the way, you helps to find the way. You are the best teacher at all.
You are the architect of our mind, builders of our future, so divine. You let the foundation strong and deep and help us to construct our own unique key.
With every lesson, with every test, you help us grow, to help us find our best. You encourage, you motivate, you inspire to reach for the highest desire.
So here's to you, dear teachers, on this day, a tribute to your hard work in every way. We thank you for all that you do, for helping us to become the best version of ourselves.
This is a heartfelt tribute to all teachers, acknowledging their dedication,
passion and hard work in shaping the minds and futures of their students. A new Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you.
Teachers are the guardians of our future and we are grateful for their guidance and effort. So I would like to invite Ojas to deliver a short speech.
गुरु कौन है? जो अंधेरे कमरे को दीप की तरह रोशन कर दे, वो गुरु है। जो हर बुराइयों को शिष्य से ओंझल कर दे, वो गुरु है। सुप्रभात। हर वर्ष 5 सितंबर को हमारे देश में शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। यह श्री डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मनाया जाता है। आदरणीय शिक्षकगण, आप हमारे जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। आप हमें शिक्षा देते हैं, ज्ञान देते हैं और हमारे चरित्र को बनाते हैं। आप हमारे भविष्य को आकार देते हैं और हमें एक अच्छा नागरिक बनने में मदद करते हैं। आपके मेहनत और समर्पण के कारण हम आज यहाँ पे हैं। आपकी प्रेरणा और मार्गदर्शन के कारण हम अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर पाते हैं। सर्वाइट शाला के संपूर्ण शिष्यगणों की ओर से आपको शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Now I would like to invite Navid
day for a Hindi poem.
बढ़ सके आगे हमें इस काबिल बनाया आपने, चल सके अपने पैरों से ऐसा चलना सिखाया आपने। मार्गदर्शक तो सब होते हैं, मार्गदर्शक तो सब होते हैं, पर मार्ग ढूंढना सिखाया आपने। शब्दों में बयां कैसे करूं जो परिवर्तन लाया आपने। जो कुछ भी सीखा है उसका श्रेय आपको जाता है, मिलता रहे आपका मार्गदर्शन बस यही मेरी आशा है। आपने किताबों से ज्यादा जिंदगी को पढ़ाया, आपने किताबों से ज्यादा जिंदगी को पढ़ाया।
Thank you. Here comes Akshita and Prashi to deliver a wonderful speech on our topic.
In everything we do in this life, it always begins as a first step. In order to excel or achieve in any field, we just take the first step or move.
Basically, we cannot move upward in a ladder without stepping on the first step, and if we will then take the first move to go to upward and journey beyond 1,000 miles in seeking our dreams and aspiration in this life.
It always takes a single step to begin any long journey in this life while we are seeking the meaning of our sense of being and realizing that we want to do and become in this life.
We really cannot move forward or go away in this journey of life to reach our desired dignity. Our faith may determine without stalking the first leap of courage, sacrifice and patience. Success is created through the performance of a few small daily disciplines and
that step over the year.
Thank you.
Let us listen a beautiful speech by my friend Astha.
Good morning. English poem. Life is a journey which says get set and go. Some are to lead it and some to follow. Each life has its own meaning to gloat. Some reaches to the top, some remains hollow. Never mind, just carry on with intervene. Value success is a journey but dream to follow. Thank you.
Now let's update our mind with today's news headlines.
My name is Shilpan Dubey.
I am Shivanshi.
Myself Kati Tiwari.
And we are the today's news reporters.
International news. First, European Union says it has incredible information on Iran sending missile to Russia. Second, India and China can play a role in finding solution to Iraqi conflict in Ukraine. Third, PM Modi will talk with the Abu Dhabi with Crown Prince.
National news. Government launches website with technical terms in 22 official Indian languages. Second, PM Modi asks automakers to bring global best practices to India. Focus on clean mobility. 6 senior advocates appointed additional generals to defend government in Supreme Court.
Sports news. First, Indian hockey team thrashed Japan by 5-1 in Asian Championship trophy and remained unbeaten. Second, Italy beat Israel to top Nation League Championship. Third, twin titles for Surbhi Gupta in Commonwealth Chess Championship.
Thank you and have a knowledgeful day.
Let's learn some vocabulary words to enhance our vocabulary skills by Divyansh.
Vocabulary words. First, Nagrang, Association of Traders. Second, Ikta, land of varying size. Third, Daliwal, minted coins. Fourth, large stepped wells. Fifth, Haveli's large mansion. Thank you. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Wave your hands, wave your hands. Listen to the music and wave your hands. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My name is Yanshi Agarwal. Thank you, teacher. You are so kind. You give me joy and play on my end. Thank you, teacher. Everyone, my name is Gupta Kinat, teacher and believer. I am jet engine, bend up the hill to patch up canoe water. Jet bend down and walk each ground. Engine comes sounding after. May God bless you. May मैं छोटी सी नन्ही मुन्नी बहुत जोर से मैं छोटी सी नन्ही मुन्नी लाल गुलाबी मेरी चुन्नी है सही में पढ़ती हूँ सबको टाटा करती हूँ गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः Good morning. Louder बोलो louder. Speak बोलो. Good morning. Good morning everyone. My name is Lavyan Sare. My class teacher name is Vijay Lakshmi ma'am. She is my class teacher. She is very intelligent. Thank you. चंदा ने पूछा तारों से तारों ने पूछा हजारों से सबसे बड़ा कौन है मेरी मैडम मैं छोटी सी नन्ही मुन्नी लाल गुलाबी मेरी चुन्नी पति हूँ तेजी मन में सबको टाटा करती हूँ class teacher.
At last he saw
Classic song. A fox of water. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. One the crow was very thirsty. He searched for water here and there. The classic song a fox of water, but there was very little water in the pot. Crow and the dove. He flushed the stone into the pot. The water came up, crow drank water and flew away. God mercy is for everyone. Thank you. God have mercy on us. ये सभी के साथ दयालु का करना चाहिए The mercy of God is new every morning. It is right, that is right.
Mercy of God is
The mercy of God is new every morning. Thank you.
Vedanshi.
हमें सभी जानवरों के साथ दयालुता रखना चाहिए थैंक यू हमें सभी के साथ दयालु का व्यवहार करना चाहिए God's mercy is for everyone. Thank you.